Are you looking for images, photos that you want to use in your YouTube videos and your blog, your websites, and you do not want to have a copyright claim on that images? So you just have to follow these steps that I will show you in this video. I will show you how you can easily use the copyright free images, photos on Google, and you can also search the images of your own desire, like you want to search tech images, you want to search any other images you where you can find the copyright free images. I will show you everything in this video. Let's get started. So guys, you have to go to Google. So just write here tech, the keyword, and just go to the images section. So guys, here in Google you have hidden settings. You have to select the tool section and just go to usage rights, and here you can see some sections like not filtered by license, label for reuse, and many other features. So what are they? What are these features? I will tell you that what they mean exactly. Not filtered by license means that all of the images on your screen are not filtered, means like they have a copyright claim as well and they do not have as well. So you are not sure which image you gonna use without having a copyright claim. So not filtered by license, all the images are in this category. So in the next category, labeled for reuse with modification, means that you can use the images, you can modify them, you can add text on them, you can use them in your videos. Every other modification you want to do with the images you can do, and you can reuse them. Okay, so labeled for reuse mean that you can reuse the images but you cannot modify them, you cannot add text on them, you cannot modify like any other way. And the label for non-commercial reuse mean that you can use the images with modification, but you cannot use them on commercial platform, like you cannot earn money through it, like you cannot paste them on your YouTube videos for monetization, you cannot use them on your website which is monetized. And label for non-commercial reuse mean that you can use the images but you cannot modify them, you cannot insert them on the commercial platforms. So these are the some sections. So now you have to go to the label for reuse with modification. So all of the images that you are now watching on your screen, these are all copyright free images. You can also like I have clicked on this image and you can see where the image belongs to. You can see the website which provides this image, like here it is written Pixabay. Let's open the Pixabay, and you can see that Pixabay is a free website that can provide you free copyright free image, copyright free graphics, copyright free videos, many other features it is providing. So guys, very useful website. You can also download your copyright free images. Let's go to Pixabay. Just write here pepper. So guys, here are lots of the images that you can use in your videos, in your blogs, your websites without any copyright claim. So it is a very wonderful application, guys, a very wonderful website. So that's the way you can collect the images from Google as well without any copyright claim, without any copyright strike. And you can also get those images, a lot of images from Pixabay. Like you want any kind of image, you can get here easily. So another website that I will show you in this video, which provides you free images, free copyright free images. The name of the website is Pexels. So in Pexels they provide lots of photos, videos, and many other features, guys. Like I have searched here design. You can watch the designs videos, you can watch the photos of design. All the videos are absolutely copyright free, you can use them anywhere with commercial use. So guys, these are the ways you can use the images, videos, YouTube videos in your blogs, your website without getting a copyright strike from the owner. So I hope you like the video. If you like, please click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, just press on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for further updates. Let's meet in our next tutorial. See you soon.